Hello, boys and girls of Rockland. So excited to be with you here again today. Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Let's see, if you're from Memorial Park, raise your hand. Shout out to you. If you're from Eston Elementary, raise your hand. Shout out to you. And if you're from Jefferson Elementary, raise your hand. Shout out to you. All right. Thanks for being here. We are going to continue our work with addition. Remember the plus sign, right? Tell you you're adding two things together. You're bringing two groups of objects together to make a larger total. So we know that last time we did problems like big problems for the first time, like 52 plus 6. And here's an example of something we did last time. We had 34 vanilla cookies that I made. My nice friend Kristen gave me 5 more. So we added 5 ones to the 4 ones, and we got 9 ones. We still had 3 tens. So we had 30 plus the 9 ones. 30 plus the 9 ones, 30 plus 4 plus 5, gave us 39 cookies total. Awesome. So today, we're going to use our base 10 pieces, like we've done before with place value, and we're going to go back to talking about Starbursts. I love Starbursts. So you can see there's purple, orange, red, yellow. I love the orange the best. What kind do you like? Well, we're going to go with yellow today because that's the color that I have on my screen. So let's get started. Here you can see I have a bunch of Starbursts. The green, if you might remember, means that that's a package or a bag of Starbursts. And there's how many Starbursts in that green bag? That's right, there's 10 Starbursts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many Starbursts do I have right now? Think about it. You can pause the video at any time to think about it. If you said that I have 25, you are correct. If you did not say 25, but you tried and you're paying attention and you caught your mistake and you're learning, your brain's growing. You're doing an awesome job. Okay, so let's say I have 25 Starbursts. Okay, so that means I have, here, I have 20 Starbursts. And here, how many ones do I have? I have 5 ones, so I've got 5 here. Now let's say that my friend Max, who's a good friend of mine, says, hey Tim, I've got some Starbursts, would you like a few more? I said, well, I love Starbursts, Max, I would love some more. So Max says, well, I'll give you 3 more Starbursts. I'm going to add 3 more Starbursts here. So let's bring over 1 more, 2 more, 3 more Starbursts. So we still have 20 here. We have 2 tens, but we have more ones. So let's see, we added 3 more ones here. So we have 5 plus 3 more ones. What is 5 plus 3? 5 ones plus 3 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 5 and 3 makes 8. All right, 8. So we have 20 here. We still have 2 tens. So 20 plus 8 is going to give us, we still have 2 tens. And how many ones do we have? Remember, you can pause at any time to answer. We have 8 ones. So we have, once again, we have 8 ones here. Here's our 8 ones. And over here, we have our 2 tens, which gives us 20. So 20 plus the 8 gives us 28. All right, let's do another one. This time I have 41 Starbursts. How many packages of 10? How many 10 packages can I fill up with 41 Starbursts? Could I fill up 6 bags, for example? That sounds like a lot, right? Let's find out. Think in your head how many. pause the video if you need to. Okay, let's see. We've got 1 bag, that's 10. 2 bags, that's 20. 3 bags, that's 30. 4 bags, that's 40. Could I add another one? That's 50. We don't have enough for that, right? We can't do that. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So here we have 4 bags of 10 Starbursts, which means how many Starbursts total? We have 40 Starbursts total. Now we do have 1 more Starburst. 1, so to speak. All right, we have 1 right, oops. We have 1 right there. There's our 1. Okay, so let's say that I get into my car and on the seat there are 3 more Starbursts. Do you ever get in the car and find things and you're like, I think I can eat that. Why not? Okay, so let's add 3 more Starbursts that I found. So I found 1 more, 2 more, 3 more Starbursts. So I started off with 1 Starburst, 1, but then I found 3 more. So how many 1s do I have? 1 plus 3 1s gives me 4 1s. Now I still have how many 10s? I have 4 10s. Okay, so I still have my 40. Okay, so 40 plus 1 plus 3, which is the same as 4. So 40 plus 4 equals, let's see, 44. 4 10s and 4 1s. Okay, so we can say that 41 plus 3 equals, once again, I know I'm going slow, but I want to make sure you guys really get this, equals 44. 4 10s and 4 1s. We have 4 10s. We have 4 10s right here. And we just added some 1s here. So we just added our 3 1s, and now we have 4 1s. Okay, let's do one more together, boys and girls. We have, we have a lot of Starbursts. 86 Starbursts. How many 10s are we going to have? How many bags of 10 are we going to have? Think about it. Pause the video if you need to, okay? If you said 8 bags, you are correct. Okay? So let's check it out. We're going to have 1 bag, that's 10. 2 bags, that's 20. 3 bags, that's 30. 4 bags, that's 40. 5 bags, that's 50. 6 bags, that's 60. 7 bags, that's 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yep, 70. 1 more bag gives us 80. We couldn't do another one. That would be too much, right? That would give us 90. We don't have 90. We only have 86. So far we have 80 Starbursts because we have 8 bags of 10. Okay. So what else do we have? We have some 1s. All right, so let's bring our 1s out. We have 1, 2, 3. Looks like we have 6, 4, 5. Let's just move these down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 86 Starbursts. That's a lot of Starbursts. Okay, so this time, how are we going to get more Starbursts? Let's say that my friend Adam gives me some more Starbursts. So Adam gives me, let's say that Adam gives me 2 more Starbursts. Let's add 2 more. 1, 2. So originally I started off with 6 1s because I had 86. But Adam gave me 2 more. So now I have, how many 1s do I have? How many 10s do I have? Still 8 10s, still 80. How many 1s do I have? Now I have 8. Okay, so I have 8 1s. Total of 8. So what does 80 plus 8 equal? it equals, how many tens? 8 tens. So 80, 88. Awesome. So we could say that if I started with 86 Starbursts, right, and we added 2 more, that would give us 88. All right, so for your practice this week, boys and girls, you're going to do this. You can cut out your base 10 pieces, right? You can show the 86, add on some more ones, and see how many ones you end up with. I think you'll find in the problems that we give you, the 10 stay the same, but you can add the ones to the ones and get a different answer. Okay, so we're adding and putting them together. All right, great job today, guys. Remember, be safe, be kind to your family, and if you can, if it's possible, get outside because it's so nice out. Get some fresh air, get some exercise. It's very good for your body, and it's really good for your mind. All right, this is Mr. McAndrew, the Math Coach, signing off. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.